back and we had another good day of trading. It was a good day for SPY. Although I did not trade SPY today, it did a good little move and it went into even bigger highs today. So I attempted to trade maybe, I think it was the day before yesterday. And the other part of the week, I kind of left SPY alone because there was a little bit of whipsaw, not much, not the kind of movement I was looking for. So I just didn't trade the SPY most of this week. I've been swing trading BBAI and open. Open, I've been trading more frequently. I started that when it was like at $2. Don't really talk about it much, but open has been kind of like my rinse and repeat trade in addition to SPY. I've been swinging open though, swing trading open. So just a little back history. Got in initially at about $2, uh, rolled it up, and then it took profit. It came back down. I have both shares and I have just a few shares. I'm going to be adding on to the shares, but um, based on everything that's going on with Open now, it's been respecting the day. And I know we typically talk about SPY, but Open is just another one. They call it the meme stock. I think there's a lot of changes that have gone on with Open that is kind of taking it into another arena, which may not be meme stock for too much longer. But it's been consistently riding this day trend. It seems to pull back here on a weekly basis, and when it pulls back to this area, it has an immediate spike or an immediate reaction after that touch of the nine. It's yet to close below the nine since, ooh, I don't even know when. It looks like back in maybe August it was, but this trend looks like it started more so maybe in July-ish, give or take. And it had a huge spike here, and then it came back down. So what I'm doing, just rinsing and repeating. I took the ride up here to about $10. It kind of stalled for a little bit, maybe an hour or so, at about 9.94 for a while. And then what I've been seeing, the psychological numbers, it's like a stall that happens with the psychological numbers that typically kind of have, others thinking that it's maybe about to reverse or whatever. But what I wrote it up, and I actually took profit. I still have, like I say, just a few shares that I am letting ride, and I'm going to be adding once it does another drop. So basically, here, when it comes back and retests the nine again, I'm going to take more positions with contracts, and I'm going to get some more shares, and just let them continue to ride as they've been doing. And that's kind of how I've been doing it, rinsing and repeating it that way. It comes here to the nine, which is this blue line once again. And as you see, it's kind of a ways up. It took a big ride, and we don't know how long this ride is going to go, and if this is where it's starting to kind of dwindle down. I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow, but they're thinking we're going to know a lot more next week. um and it's probably going to have another soaring moment, a really serious soaring moment next week. So that's just a little bit of insight on that. Like I say, I have some people that are interested in it, and this is not investment advice. This is just what I'm doing. I'm not a financial advisor, so this is just for entertainment purposes only, and this is just what I'm doing. So if if getting in right here at the 9 with a couple of shares. And they said, I've read somewhere where they're saying that the floor is probably give or take around 625. Of course, no one really knows what the floor is going to be, but it based on it holding consistently here, I would say that that's not too far off, maybe even five. No, I would say 525 looks a little bit accurate. Um, but we're just gonna watch it, and this is just another one that I'm doing as well. More of a swing trade, not so much as a day trade. But it's been paying me really, really well. Actually, a lot better than Spy has at times. Although Spy is a great mover, there's a lot of control in this one because it's been keeping with the same pattern. So that's pretty much it.